Hey, my name is Steve, and today I'd like to share with you the greatest business secret in the world. The biggest business secret isn't locked behind any subterranean vault nor guarded by dozens of armed guards. Probably isn't even written on paper, and I'm talking about WD-40. In 1953, in San Diego, California, a group of engineers from a small company called Rocket Chemical Company created a product meant to be used as an anti-corrosive on the aerospace industry. The name of the product refers to water displacement, and the number 40 refers to the amount of tries they made until the formula worked. They must have been really good in what they were doing, because almost 70 years later, the formula is still in use and it hasn't been surpassed. They decided not to patent their product, which turns out to be a great decision. To patent it, they would have had to divulge their secret formula. Since WD-40 was invented, no one has figured out the secret. So there you go, folks. The greatest business secret in the history of the world.